In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use SEO on Squarespace. Whether you are new to Squarespace or you're looking to improve the visibility of your website on search engines, you've come to the right place. Let's dive in and optimize your Squarespace site together. First things first, navigate to the Squarespace homepage. This is the starting point where you'll be accessing your dashboard and all the essential SEO tools offered by Squarespace. Once you're there, you will notice a login button. Go ahead and click on that to begin the sign-in process. Squarespace offers a seamless way to log in using your Google account, which is incredibly convenient if you're looking to streamline your logins across various platforms. So click on Continue with Google and select the Google account you wish to use. This should take you directly to your Squarespace account dashboard, which is the hub for all your website management needs. Now that you're logged in, it's time to navigate to your website. Look for a way to access your site. This might be represented with a button or link to go to your website. It's usually straightforward to find and requires just a click to proceed. Upon accessing your website's backend, your next stop is the Settings menu. This is where all the magic happens in terms of customizing your site's functionality and performance. Squarespace's settings panel is quite intuitive, so you should find it relatively easy to navigate. Once you're in the Settings menu, look for the Marketing option. Click on it. Marketing tools in Squarespace are robust, providing you with numerous options to enhance your site's reach and visibility, which are crucial for SEO. In the marketing section, you want to focus on the SEO option, sometimes labeled as SEO appearance. This area allows you to control how your site appears in search results, which is a key component of effective SEO practice. You'll be able to customize your search appearance to make it as appealing and accurate as possible to prospective visitors. After you've made the necessary SEO adjustments in the marketing section, it's often a good practice to go back to your Squarespace account dashboard. This dashboard gives you a snapshot of your entire account, including domain management, billing, and more insights into your site's performance. From your dashboard, finding the Dashboard or Go to Website button should be your next action. This will redirect you back to your website's management area, where you can see the changes you've applied and further analyze other areas that might need optimization. Lastly, for those who are looking to ensure that their domains are properly set up and registered, navigating to the Domains and Email section under Settings will be crucial. Here, click on Domains to view or adjust your domain settings, ensuring that your site's address is properly configured for optimal search engine recognition. Remember, SEO is an ongoing process that requires patience and regular updates. Squarespace makes this task easier with a user-friendly interface and a suite of tools designed to help improve your site's search visibility. Keep experimenting with keywords, meta descriptions, and content to find what works best for your audience and your brand. And there you have it. You now know the basics of navigating through Squarespace to utilize its SEO features effectively. By following these steps, you're on your way to optimizing your Squarespace site, helping you rank better in search results, and drawing more visitors to your wonderful content or services. Keep exploring, keep optimizing, and most importantly, keep creating. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.